Here you go, Sammy. Phew. Anyway, what are you doing there?
Oh, thanks, Susie, for bringing all my stationery. Now I think this is it.
Do you really need all this?
I don't know where my inspiration will take me, right? Creating a masterpiece is very serious.
I wonder how early a great artist managed to work without this variety.
Try to imagine how happy they would be if they had all this.
Right. And they would need to take a number of helpers to carry everything. Don't you agree?
I know! What would you say if we make this?
Wow, Sammy. I love the thread of your thoughts.
Sure, Sue. Let's get started.
Why did I run back and forth 3 times to bring all these here? Well, the inspiration.
Oh, come on, Sue.
Hi guys, today we're gonna make a cool organizer bag for art supplies.
And it'll fit in all my favorite pencils and brushes and markers.
Easy, Tiger. Let's deal with the cardboard first. We've already thought everything through and decided that it needs some sort of an upper lid.
We're gonna attach it with the masking tape, right?
Yes, Sammy, thank you. We need to connect these 2 cardboard pieces with the tape.
Sue, I think you'll need scissors for that, right? Here you go, Susie.
Be careful with the scissors, guys. Now, in order to make this piece look neat, we'll use colored paper. Did you pick one already for our craft, Sammy?
Not really. I can't decide between my favorite colors.
Then let's start with the color of the body. And I actually know which one we'll use. What do you say about this bright lime green, Sammy?
Wow, Sue, it looks awesome.
Let's use a glue stick then. Guys, you'd better apply it carefully. Like this. Here we go. First, we'll glue the core part. Like this. Done! And here comes more glue. The smaller part is ready too. Guys, check it out! The green paper looks amazing! We will do the same thing many times today. Don't go anywhere!
Hey, Sue, look what I've made.
Huh? What is this?
Doesn't it look like the side part of our organizer?
Sammy, actually I think you took the measurements wrong. This piece is kinda long.
Oh no! I thought I was a craft master and I didn't need the ruler! What are we gonna do now?
Oh, don't be upset. Luckily, you have me as a backup.
Did you come up with something?
Check this out. Whoosh! What do you say? I think this design fits here perfectly. And we can turn these pieces that you've made into a kind of shelves for our drawers. Be careful with the glue gun, guys.
Sue, you're the smartest lifesaver I've ever seen! And you guys should learn from my mistakes and always take proper measurements when making something.
Guys, check out the shelves we made. Now let's do the second half of our organizer. And we'll use one more big piece of cardboard.
So I feel like I'm having a deja vu.
Sammy, are you sure that you know what this word means?
How dare you! A deja vu is a French word for the feeling of having already experienced the present situation. For example, I've already seen you today doing the same thing with the same piece of cardboard.
Ooh, I see someone mastered their French. Then tell me whether you know what does the phrase jamais vu mean?
Easy peasy. That's the opposite feeling of deja vu. You feel that you've never experienced a certain situation when you definitely have.
That is quite impressive knowledge, Sammy. Come on, guys, support our little smarty pants with a thumbs up. In the meantime, I made the side wall of the second half of our organizer. Just look how neat and nice it came out.
Uh-oh. I guess I noticed something went wrong. Susie, how are you going to attach this piece now when everything is decorated?
Everything's fine, Sammy. I didn't make any mistakes. We're dealing with the mask and tape, remember? This is how we'll connect the 2 parts of our organizer, you see? Now this compartment will be able to open and close. Cool, huh? Fold and unfold. This is just awesome! But we still need to make a couple more things at this stage. Let's use some magic to speed up the process. Wow, it worked! Guys, if you want to know what will come next and how this craft will look like, take a second to subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, we're at the final stage of our craft. Let's make a drawer for our organizer where Sammy will keep his art stationery.
Does this mean going to make the drawers for the upper spaces of the organizer?
Yep, I already outlined all the parts and now I'll cut them out. Guys, be very careful with the cutter.
Susie, I'm bored. Let me help you with one of the drawers.
Okay, guys, these parts are ready and… Wow, my magic worked out! Wow, this drawer is so bright and colorful. We used the same texture as for the body, but it's yellow here.
Hey, Sue, I didn't twiddle my thumbs either. Look!
Well done! This rather big drawer looks so cool. Now we just need to place our drawers where they should be. This one will fit on the top shelf. Perfect. And this big guy will stand here. Awesome! We have 2 more drawers. This one will go up and that one to the bottom. Perfect fit!
Wow, Sue! Our craft is so cool! I want to have a closer look! Holy cannoli, everything is perfect! I just can't wait to fill it with stationery!
Sammy, is it just me or are we missing something in here?
Sue, I think everything is in place!
But we still have this space left. What shall we put here?
Maybe we can make something paper-related since there is enough space there.
Good idea, Sammy. Actually, I already prepared something. Check it out. This cool yellow part will hold all your paper with no problem.
Are you sure it can accommodate everything? I have lots of stuff. Oh, now I see that it is big enough to store everything.
Sammy, look! Yellow is a perfect match for our craft.
You're right, Sue. Everything looks very cool.
I really like what I see, but I still have that feeling that something's missing. I guess it's the cork board. This way you'll be able to pin your notes.
Wow, Sue! Thanks for considering this!
The surface feels really nice to the touch. We're almost done. Guys, if you want to see the complete look, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Sammy, why do you think we need this blue foam paper?
We made the compartments for pencils and markers. I got it! We forgot about the handle!
Yes, Sammy, correct. But first, let's take some measurements to choose the right length. Guys, accuracy is very important at this stage. The strips are ready and now I'm going to cut them out.
Wow, Sue! But why do we need 4 of them? 1 should be enough.
This way the handle will be more durable. This way.
Sue, this painting is so beautiful. I wonder if I could become a great artist like Picasso.
Sure, Sammy. Any slime can become a great artist if he works as much as all the famous painters did. But let's get back to our craft. Now we'll glue these foam pieces together. Let's use the glue stick for that. Now comes the actual gluing part. Hop.
Sue, hurry up! I can't wait any longer!
We're almost done, Sammy. Now we'll attach these to the craft.
Susie, is it just me or are they too big for our organizer?
No, Sammy, the size is just perfect. I also added the pink decor. Looking good, huh? Now we'll use the glue gun again. Be careful with it. Let's add a big drop on each side of the handle. This way. And here comes one more.
Sue, I found this thingy and I'm going to glue it too. But first, I'll work on its color.
Guys, check out our handle. I added some clips to secure it. And look at this Velcro Sammy made. It'll open and close this compartment.
Sue, when are we gonna fill our organizer with stationery? I can't wait!
You're such an impatient slime. Let's fill these drawers right now. Scissors and colorful pens will go here, and this one is for markers. A whole bunch of bright pencils for this drawer. And here we'll put lots of pens and brushes for painting. The biggest compartment is for Sam's favorite colored paper. Hop. Now let's put all the drawers in their places.
Susie, wait, please! Susie, you completely forgot about the sticky notes!
Right, let's add them here. There you go. And don't forget about our cute slime. Guys, now all is ready. Enjoy! Guys, if you liked our craft in this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell button. Bye-bye, guys!
Bye-bye!